New Year, everyone. If it's January, it must be time for the 2018 31 Days to Get Organised challenges. Now, these are simple and straightforward. Every day for the month, I will issue you with a 10-minute challenge that if you follow through the course of the month, it will make a massive difference to the clutter and disorganisation in your home. Today's challenge, here we go. Part 1, I want you to make a sign and put it up in your home. Don't put it down, put it away. Make these signs, have them prominently displayed, and let your family know that this is the mantra for the month. Part 2, I want you to nominate and get 5 friends on board, either here on Facebook, via phone, I don't care how, and let them know that you need their support through the month to really make a difference to the clutter in your home. Share this on Facebook or YouTube. Let's hear about your commitment, and remember, let's get those signs up.